air in Jardin is much nicer than in Medellin. You can take a deep breath and not cough afterwards. What's also noticeably different about Jardin is that it feels a lot safer compared to Medellin. People actually have their phones out. They're walking around with their cell phones.
Yeah,
in
like
Medellin, you will not see that.
You will never see locals walking with their phones out in their hand.
Mira, acá en la salida número 6.
No es 9.500. Muy bien, gracias a Dios. Mucho gusto.
I mean, go eat. Good.
Hey guys, we are in Jardin, Colombia. Just got here about an hour ago from Medellin.
Yeah.
We took the bus from the southern bus terminal, not too far away from us, and it was estimated about 4 hours, but it took us about 5 hours to get here. The bus makes several stops on the way here, picking up people, dropping off people, stopping for various goods as well as a bathroom break. But we finally arrived. The sun is coming out.
Yeah, when we got here, it was about to rain.
It was
thundering. So we checked into our hotel and then we had lunch.
Yep.
We don't really have a plan this weekend. Just wander around, maybe go on a hike here or there. We're thinking about doing a tour, but we're not sure. We're just kind of playing it by ear, see how the weather goes and see how we feel tomorrow and Sunday.
Yeah, the hotel that we're staying at is called Hotel Jardin. It's in the middle of town.
Yeah, it's
right across the street from where we are right now.
It's part of the town center.
Yeah, so right now we're hanging out in the town square. Just behind us is the Basilica, or the main church of the town.
Yeah.
Right before this we had a traditional Colombian meal, which was filling, and then later we'll grab
coffee probably.
Yeah, but let's head on in and we'll show you around the town. I know, I'm super guilty. So I said that I was gonna put my phone away because I wanted to spend some more intentional time with Laura during our weekend out here in Jardin, but my startup is growing super fast and there's just a lot of moving parts happening right now. But anyways, I put it away for now just because I'm on camera. But we just left the Basilica and are now at a cafe just across the street. So it's literally like 50 feet away from us. The cafe is called De los Andes. We're grabbing a couple of coffees just to pick ourselves up and walk around a little bit more. This is a really cute town. It's super quaint. Everyone is super chill. And the weather's perfect, so there are lots of people hanging out in the town square or at the cafes on street level, sitting on the sidewalks, enjoying their drinks and just conversing. But it's a perfect day to be here. We're excited to show you a little bit more of this area. Tinto para mí, it's just black coffee, like my heart. We are caffeined up and ready to go for a walk. The air in Jardin is much nicer than in Medellin. You can take a deep breath and not cough afterwards.
Yeah.
What's also noticeably different about Jardin is that it feels a lot safer compared to Medellin. People actually have their phones out. They're walking around with their cell phones.
Yeah,
in
like
Medellin, you will not see that.
You will never see locals walking with their phones out in their hands. So it's very interesting to see here them like engaging with their phone.
Yeah, so that is a noticeable difference. The temperature is also a little bit cooler than the big cities, so that's nice. And this is a lot more colorful, so yeah, gorgeous. Let's keep going.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say.
We've just been walking around the town. It's not very big. You could probably walk through all of the different blocks in a matter of an hour or so. We're just hanging out now at the square, having a drink. Lora grabbed a soda water and I'm having a beer. Classic arrangement. There are so many photo ops here just because there's like so much color and contrast. You could post up anywhere and take a great photo. Lora was taking pictures of me with some really fun backdrops. You'll see. Follow us on Instagram, Lora and Tony.
We're just chilling here, have a drink. One of the things that we've read like that's to do here is to just walk around and sit in the town square and have a drink because everyone's out and about enjoying the weather. It's the weekend, so yeah, it's very nice, and the weather is so much cooler than Medellin. It's so refreshing.